Hello world. What you see around us over here is the disaster management team from Gili Air. We came down, Tom has done a hell of a lot over himself already, and these teams become bigger. My name is Ettienne. We have the ex-head of the island, Mohammed Kaseng is getting his family to assist us tomorrow to distribute food, distribute water to everybody. We will have a distribution point over here at the harbour on the island to make sure that the local people, the Indonesian people that are on the island can get food and water and shelter. We need a couple of things. We need a doctor on the island. There is no doctor on the island. We need food and vegetables. We need water, food, and we also need gasoline. Please. What else?
Yes, that we need. So we hope all of our friends around the world, no worries, come to Gili. Gili is safe for the moment.
Please speak Indonesian to the Bahasa people of Nigeria.
Untuk teman-teman yang ada di Indonesia, kami harapkan dengan kejadiannya gempa bumi 7,0 skala Richter yang terjadi di Lombok Utara, harapan kami mudah-mudahan semua rekan-rekan kita yang ada di Indonesia bisa membantu kita yang sudah kena gempa, musibah gempa yang ada di Lombok Utara. Kami harap bantuannya bukan hanya untuk di daerah Lombok Utara saja, kami juga mengharap di 3 Gili, yaitu Gili Air, Gili Mino, dan Gili Trawangan.
Thank you. Tom, anything from your side?
Let's all do this together.
Yeah.
Do all this together.
Yeah.
We look after
We
each
do
other.
this together?
Yes, we go together.
One and up.
One up.
Everybody together.
Together, yeah.
Fantastic. Guys, we need your help, please. If you can dispatch stuff and send it over, we'd appreciate it. Thank you.